Hey kids, it's Adam. So glad to see you. Hey, we got another puppet show for you today with our 5 little monkey friends. So nice to see you. Yeah, we're so glad to see you. We are always glad to see the kids. Ta-da! But we're going to work on our greetings today because we are going to be introduced to somebody new. So come on over. This is Colton.
Hello.
Hi, Colton. All right, boys, here's what we're going to do. We're going to work on saying hi to Colton. I would like to go first. Here I go. Hi! That was a little too loud. Oh, let me try again. Hi! Oh, boy. I think that was a little too soft. Can you get something in the middle? Hi!
Hello.
That was perfect, Thumbkins. Nice work. I would like a turn. All right, Pinkerton, why don't you try? Hi! Oh, boy. He touched too much. You have to do a little different kind of way to greet. Okay, let me try again. You can do it, Pinkerton. You got this. Hi.
Hello.
Ooh, I really like that hi. That was nice. It is my turn to Finger. Okay, Finger, do you want to give an example of hi?
Yes, please.
All right. Good luck, Finger. Hi, 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 hi. Oh boy. That was probably too strong of a greeting there, Finger. Can we try a little different so you're not so touchy?
Wow.
Okay. Hi.
Hello, Finger.
Can I give you a high five?
Sure.
Well,
Oh, yeah.
One, kind of.
Oh, yeah. That was a great example of how to say hello and greet somebody. Good job, kids. And good job, Colton. We'll see you guys later.
Bye.